Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you what I have been doing over the last few days. I found a Facebook page that's called Bitmoji Craze for Educators, and it basically is a group of educators that have joined together to give free resources out to everybody for virtual or even just to use in your classroom online learning. And so I wanted to show you a couple of the varieties that I found, but I went through and I downloaded them and I put them on my Google Drive so I can share them with you, and all you have to do is make a copy and change it however you want. So this is one that would work for upper elementary. So if I go into present mode, you can see that here's the room, and there are live links around. So if you click on the R, it changes to another link. Click on the race cars to go home. So if you click on the race cars, it takes you back to the main screen. You can click on the E to explain your evidence. You can click on the C to cite your evidence. So this is one of the many ways that you can use this Bitmoji Classroom. So back here, I'll take you to the main one and you can see all the different ones. You can put whatever directions you want right here. You can change the Bitmoji. Here is complete sentences with anchor charts that you can click on that take you to live videos, live links. Basically, it's just going to make our lives a whole lot easier. And so I really just felt like it was important to share with you and to download as many as I could for free while they're still for free. Because let's work smarter, not harder, you know? So this is one example of how that works. Here's another one that is for Black History Month. So you can go through and you can see the pictures of some famous Black people in history. And so there are also live links that take you to read alouds for the kids that the kids can do independently. So that was just one more that would work for some upper elementary. There's a lot of lower elementary ones. This one is Amelia Bedelia. Again, takes you to some live links. They can listen, they can play it, and this is all free. It's got a picture of the author. It's got the Bitmoji in there, and you can go in and take that out pretty easily and change it. This is another different type of one. This one is that was the person who created it, and so this is daily slides. So you can give them a summary of what they're going to do for the week. You can use this as your lesson to teach. Just put the objective, put the standard. You can use this for your slides if you would like. Review your objective, review your standards, your closure is there. So this is another one that's in there that you can use. This one is the letter of the day, and so if you go into this one, you can click the live links and it takes you to YouTube videos. There's an ad, that's fun. So here, we're at a Sesame Street video that goes with the letter of the day. Then, let's see. So you can go through and you can see all of these and you can change it however you would like. You can put your own Bitmoji in there. There's videos, there's books, there's links. This one I thought was super fun. This one is math tools. So it takes you, so here we've got our cubes. So you can go in and they can like physically manipulate everything that they've got in here. So like I said, it's amazing. Base 10 blocks. You've got pattern blocks down here. You've got a hundreds chart that it takes you to. Like, I was just really excited to see all of this put together, already done. It's way less work for us. And then here's one that I found that's a preschool classroom that I thought was pretty fun that would work. So again, you've got your live links for your for your books. You've got some videos. There are activities that are built in. It's already all done for us. And so I felt like it was important to download these and save them. And so I have them here in my drive. There's shared reading rooms. That is basically like the Black History Month, where it's just a whole bunch of books, or the Amelia Bedelia. And then I also created my own, that's the libraries. And then this one is Bitmoji information. So basically, if you want to create your own Bitmoji room, or you want to adjust whatever you can. So let's go into the science one. You're going to find a whole slideshow with science stuff. So you can go in and you can create your own. If you need a skeleton, ta-da, we're going to copy and paste our skeleton. You need a beaker, we're going to copy and paste our beakers. So it's already all there for you. So then I want to show you really quickly. That's not my Bitmoji. The person who created this has done that. So in my copy, which is what I have now, I'm going to delete her. And then I'm going to go in and I added the Bitmoji extension. So if I click up here under extensions, I added the Bitmoji extension to mine. So I can go in and I can type in sit. And here is my Bitmoji sitting. Okay. So she's sitting the wrong direction. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to rotate her and I'm going to flip her horizontally. And then I'm going to resize her and make her small enough to sit on the chair, because that's what I need to do. So if you look, now she's sitting on the chair. She looks a little small. But anyway, so you can go in and you can adjust that however you want. You can add text boxes to say, welcome to second grade. And if this is the one you like, use this one. There are so many different rooms that other people have created. So then I'm going to show you really quickly. Let's see. I forgot what I was doing here. I'm going to go back to my main room. I don't want shared with me. I'm going to go to recent. And I'm going to go to America. This one is a slide full of books that are about America. Here's the Constitution. You're going to get a video about the Constitution, about the 50 states. So if I want to put this onto my Schoology page, I'm going to go in and I'm going to say File, Publish to the Web. And then I'm going to click Publish. I don't really know what all of this means. You just have to play around with it. Are you sure you want to publish this? Yes, I do. So then I'm going to click the embed link. I found that works better on my Schoology. Other people have clicked the link and that's worked, but I prefer the embed. So then I'm going to go to my Schoology and I'm in my resources, because then I can just put it wherever I need it. And I'm going to add resources, add a page. So then I'm going to click in there, insert content, image, media, from the web, media, and then I'm going to embed my link. And then I'm going to click insert media. And I'm going to call it America. And then I'm going to submit. And then down here at the very bottom, there it is. And then if I click on that, my link, my page is all there. The kids can still click the links. Okay, so they're live. These links are already there. You don't have to do anything. I'm going to click on that. How did the 50 states get their name? There we go. It's a video that's already done. And now it is on my Schoology and I can share it wherever I need to share it. There's books over here. It looks like there's a Brain Pop Junior video right here. Okay, so they're already there. You can change those links. You can add those links. You can do whatever you need to do that. And like I said, there are so many. I've been going through and just downloading tons of them. There's one here that's just on anchor charts. Okay. Place value. I can take that whole anchor chart and I can use it, or I can put it onto Schoology or whatever I need to do. So there's all of these different things that I can go in and I can use in my classroom, whether we're online or not. So if you would like me to share this, then go ahead and let me know, or maybe I'll just share it anyway. Either way, make sure you make a copy, and then you can just do whatever you need to do with it. And like I said, work smarter, not harder. Why would we go through and recreate all of this if it's there for you? Especially the ones that have books that are already there. There's a Magic School Bus one. There's the Pout Pout Fish. There are tons of resources available through this.